That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS! Mapaon kang sa TV o on air sa radyo, aba, dapat laging lively at full of energy. Hello, beautiful people! Ako ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero, always at your service. Hindi pwedeng lalamya-lamya, kaya ang partner ko sa trabaho, MX3 Capsule, coffee at tea. MX3 Capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3, tunay, natural at original.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay. Tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Magandang kalusugan po! Si Ate Chat Ramirez de Luna po ito. Inaanyayahan po namin kayong makinig sa Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Araw-araw, mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, sa ganap na alas 5 ng hapon hanggang alas 6. At pag Sabado, sa ganap na alas 8:30 ng umaga hanggang alas 9. Dito, sa ating paboritong himpilan, DWWW 774 sa ating talapitan. Mas maganda nang nag-iingat sa kalusugan dahil mangal magkasakit, magastos po. Ate Chat, Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Maraming salamat po!
DMC Philippines presents the music of Earth, Wind, and Fire by the Chicago Funk. And Lionel Richie by the Richie Experience. Invite you to sing a song all night long. Don't miss this tribute to the legends live in concert. For the first time ever, a tribute to Earth, Wind, and Fire and Lionel Richie together on one magical night you don't want to miss on March 3 at 8 p.m. at Newport Performing Arts Theater at Newport World Resorts. Also featuring our very own FBC Rebirth. Book your tickets now. Available at Ticket World and DMC Philippines. This event is brought to you by DWWW 774.
Santon Plus Gold.
Ako si Morito na namamaga ang aking atay. Sa loob ng 2 linggo na paggamit ko ng Santon Plus Gold, nawala ang pamamaga sa aking atay. Maraming salamat sa Santon Plus Gold.
Santon Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Santon Plus Gold. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santhone Plus Gold ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Muli nating balikan ang doctor's orders sa DWWW 774. Your clinic on the air.